Good morning guys, thank you for tuning in from a gloomy Istanbul day, Istanbul morning. So this is Wltoys 284131, another ridiculous name by Wltoys. I already made the detailed review video of this car. Today we are going to make the top speed test of this car. Let's see how fast this brand new tiny RC car with its brand new electronics.
Running high. Am I the only one left now?
Okay guys, speed meter set to 0. Let's see how fast this tiny thing is. The top speed is, so I didn't get the throttle VR at the full speed. Now it's at the full speed. Let's see how fast it's now. The top speed is 19 kilometers with the maximum throttle setup. The battery is charged 100%. Actually this is quite slow. The K989 has made 26 kilometers on this exact same place, but this made just 19 kilometers per hour. It's too slow. Let's try again. And also, controller range is just 20 meters. I was just using this as a drift car. I didn't know that the control range is too limited and the speed is too low. Interesting. But it's now 20 kilometers. The top speed of this car is 20 kilometers per hour. Actually, it's quite slow. Anyway, if you would like to buy this one, you can find the link in the description. Also, I made the detailed review video of this car. You can also find that video link in the description. Have a good day.